Hey everybody, and welcome to another update video on the 2002 Acura RSX Type S. Had this car now for about 6 months, and it's been spending time in the body shop since April. I think I dropped it off toward the later end of April. So maybe 6 weeks or so as I'm filming this video is the length of time that it's been under construction. So I'm excited to show you the progress there. But meanwhile, I also wanted to open this up with some piece of memorabilia or literature here that I got from an individual through social media. So this was kind of cool. I redacted his name here with a piece of Post-it note, but back in the day when the first gen RSX launched in 2002, they apparently had some sort of online program where you would go sort of like, I don't know, play games or learn about the vehicle as you were kind of, having some fun with it. So they had this RSX diploma that the individual sent to me. So-and-so has successfully completed the RSX Institute program with flying colors. The graduate is fully qualified to carve through the corners and tear up the asphalt in the powerful Acura RSX Sports Coupe. It says dedication to exhilaration since 2002. I thought that was really cool. As a matter of fact, I even took a screenshot of this and I sent it to the folks at Acura Public Relations thinking, how cool would it be if they had a similar program for the new Integra Type S that they could sort of navigate people through, I don't know, just different portals about the car, maybe even have some fun gaming opportunities or just trivia, kind of make it fun and exciting for a youthful audience. And whether or not that ever is something they would be interested in doing, I don't know, but figured I would share it, as a throwback to what was technically an iteration of the Integra. The RSX definitely fills that mold. So thanks to my buddy through social media for sending me this, and we'll get into the footage now. Also, I can't remember if I already mentioned or showed this cool little find, but I managed to come up with a 1/64 scale Honda Integra Type R DC5 from a buddy of mine locally. He goes under the Toy Pimp on Instagram. His name is Jeff, and he had this available for sale. I couldn't resist it. I got it along with some other stuff, including this Accord Euro R not too long ago. But yeah, so even though this car is obviously a right-hand drive version and the silver paint is actually more like a mirror metallic, but neat little artifact to go with my currently being restored 2002 RSX. I stopped by Apex just to drop off some breakfast burritos, and holy crap, these guys have already made major progress just in the last week on this RSX. Unbelievable. Here's my back bumper. Here's my old bumper. You can see the old fender here. And a brand new in the package OEM front bumper that's going on the car as well. Sweet.
When you go out, you see a little cartoon character.
There's the RSX in the paint booth. Checking in on the RSX today, and it actually already has a coat of paint going on. I think these guys are still very much in progress still, but the body work is starting to really come together. This side had some issues going on with it cosmetically, as well as especially this side was really bad, and ooh, yeah, it is nice. Check out the RSX today at Apex. These guys just got this car out of paint. You can see how phenomenal the side quarter panels look. I also had to pick up, sorry for the fan noise here, I had to pick up a couple harnesses. So we added the fog lights, and because the OEM fog set is discontinued as of a long time ago, there are aftermarket options out there that have the factory look, but unfortunately they come with funky harnesses, and we were thinking about rigging something up with this with custom wiring and such, but I was able to find on eBay a couple of the factory harnesses, just a partial kit. So those are on the way. We'll get that dialed in, and then the last thing to piece together on this is going to be the side view mirrors. The passenger side mirror had duct tape on it because it had been messed up before, and the driver side's okay, but those are getting back on. Spoiler was just reinstalled, and again, you know, super nice flawless body. Now this is the quarter panel, if you guys remember, that had a lot of sort of prior attempted repair on it. It is an Arizona car since new, so there was not any corrosion to speak of, more so just you know, body issues from bumper bashing sort of thing. The other thing I had to source just recently was all new windshield moldings. Now for this car, unlike for my Legend, they are still available new, and that was a good find. So both of those sides are replaced, as well as the passenger side wheel well liner had a big tear in it, so I got a new one of those as well. And the car's pretty much dialed in, as good as it's gonna get. Curb wheels sort of on a couple of these, but you can only go so far before you go crazy with your OCD on a resto project like this.